In the heart of every person, there's a unique wholeness, a complete entity. You are not broken, you do not need fixing. Each one of us is inherently whole and complete, regardless of external circumstances or societal standards. The pressure to conform, to become what others expect, is a burden too heavy to carry. It leads to dissatisfaction, to unhappiness. But who said we need to carry it? Release it, let go. Life, relationships, they are to be appreciated without attachment. Judgment, fear, insecurity, the need to be right, these are the shackles we place upon ourselves. Remove them and experience the freedom, the fulfillment that comes with it. Nurture your self-esteem, your self-worth. Fill up your bucket of self-esteem so high that no external criticism or judgment can drain it dry. It's a pursuit only you can undertake for yourself. Embrace inner peace, tranquility. Let go of your doubts, your rules, your preconceptions. The joy, the authenticity, the fulfillment that follows is unparalleled. Become the person you were meant to be. Let go of the limiting beliefs, the societal pressures. Embrace your authentic self, pursue your dreams, your passions with conviction and confidence. Remember, you are not broken. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more Dating Quest videos.